Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are going to be making atole de guayaba. It's guava hot beverage, atole in Mexican, Spanish, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, if you want to see more, then keep on watching. But if you're not subscribed, subscribe. What are you waiting for? If you like cooking videos, beauty and health tips, subscribe to my channel. Well, for those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Mary, and for those of you that are not new, welcome back to my channel. So let's get rolling. Let's go make some atole. Okay guys, so I'm going to make some atole. So this is what you will need for your atole: some guayabas. It's okay if they look like that because you're going to boil them and then blend them. So they are good. These are ripe guayabas. And this is about 14 ounces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 guayabas. And then you're going to need cinnamon, about 2 sticks. With 1 is fine, but I'm going to do 2. And then you're going to need Pilonzillo. But first, we're going to put the water to a boil. See, we have that much water. And you're going to boil it. It depends how much water you want to boil your guayabas with. Not too much and not too little, but just to get the flavor of the guayabas for your atole. Let's get to this. Let's cut them and wash them first. Okay, so I'm going to wash them. Now I'm going to put soap. Well, that is on. Okay, now I'm going to wash these guayabas with filtered water. Okay, and now I'm just going to cut them in half like this. Yummy. Okay, so now our water is boiling, as you can see. Now we add in our canela. So now just put it in your pot. Just let that boil for a little bit. You just want to close it and let it boil on high because we had it on 8. Okay, so now that our water boiled with cinnamon, you want to add in your guayabas, all cut up and washed. So just place them in. Yeah, you want to be careful with that. Okay, now that our guayabas are boiling with the cinnamon, now we are going to add our Pilonzillo. This is just like sugar, but it's Pilonzillo. And just drop it in, and then drop it in, and just let that melt. And then your guayaba mixture will be ready for you to blend and then to make your atole. So you also just want to give this a mixture in between. As you can see, the piloncillo is starting to melt. It doesn't matter if it gets mushy because either way you're going to blend it. It is boiling and you can see that the piloncillo melted. See? No more piloncillo. So now you just want to turn it off. Let that cool for a while. Just gonna leave it like this. And I'm gonna let it cool. Like that. And now I am just going to blend it with the cinnamon. As you can see, the guavas, the cinnamon, and the piloncillo is melted. So just cover it. Okay, now in a big pot, you're going to have water, about 2 liters, 1.5 gallons of water actually, and put that on high. So this was 51 ounces of water, and this is about 1.5 gallons. I'll leave everything in the description box below. So we have to let this boil. And meanwhile, let's get started with the masa. It's 180 grams. I'll leave everything down below, as well as how many ounces is this. I believe it's 105 ounces. Just pour in your masa. Okay, and you want to pour in your liquid, your water. Slowly, you're just going to do that. You don't want any lumps or clumps, so just slowly just mix it like this. See, here's a lump. You don't want that. Also, this is how my mom used to make it. She would just stir it with her hand instead of like a spoon or something, but you can use a spoon or a mixer if you have one. Okay, so this is how it looks for the atole. Whoops. The water is boiling now, so I'm going to add the the guayaba piloncillo water. So that's why you want to use a colander to not get the bones in. This is just the guayaba water, the rest that didn't fit in the blender. See? So I am just going to let this boil for about 5 minutes. Okay guys, so it's boiling now. Now I'm going to add my masa. Here is my colander. And now I'm going to add my masa in there. See, as you can see, this is what happens. The good thing my hands are clean. See? No lumps, no bumps. All Gucci. That's how you want to do it. I'm a pro at this. I'm kidding. The first time I made it, I had a lot of lumps because no la amasé bien. And now you just want to keep stirring. And now you just want to stir and stir, guys. So you just want to mix it like this. Just keep stirring because it will get thick. Trust me, it will get thick. It has been boiling for about 15 minutes now. I had to change it to a different pot. Now I'm going to put the guayaba mixture. So you just want to keep stirring. It's already good like this, but just let it boil for another 15 minutes. In total cook time about, because you have to put the water to boil, and then it depends how strong your stove is. So total cook time 45 minutes or less. Okay guys, so the atole is already boiling. I just turned it down because it was about to spill out. See, it's boiling, so now it's ready to serve. ¿Está bueno el atole, pa?
Está delicioso, está como si fuera de tamarindo. Pero sabe a guayaba.
Es de guayaba.
Guayaba, sabe a guayaba.
¿No está muy dulce?
Está como debe tomarse. No ni dulce ni desabrido.
Ok, le eché 8 piloncillos.
No, es mucho. Mucho. El de tu mamá no salió tanto así. Y luego ella no lo coló. A ella también se le hizo bolita. Y así le quedó, pero no lo acabamos. Pero este está más bueno.
Ok.
Tiene más color.
Ah.
Ay, carrerito. Está caliente.
So let's try it. It's hot. It's so good. It's really good.